Welcome to today's recording where we're going to be going over how to set up your doTERRA account, the India edition. So this will typically apply to you regardless of wherever you're setting up your account in the world. However, with doTERRA India, the options are slightly different, as well as with India, you also have a free account. So there is no enrollment fee at all for you to be able to set up your account and get started with your oils. So the first thing is, why join doTERRA? A couple of the benefits of getting an account is regardless of whether you're doing a preferred customer account or a wellness advocate account, you are automatically accessing 25% off, which is the wholesale pricing, which is unbeatably the best option to be doing to be able to get these oils in your homes. So that is to start with. The second thing is you're going to want to start with a link. So the link that you'll go to is mydoterra.com/Zarine Barda. If someone else has guided you to this video for instructions on how to set up your account and enroll, use their link. You'll follow the rest of the steps the same way. If you are signing up in another country and it doesn't give you the option for join and save, or it doesn't give you the option to sign up, what you'll want to make sure that you do is you'll enter in my enroller ID 1254935. And that will then again allow me to guide you across your essential oil journey and how to use these essential oils the best way possible in your home. So going over to the type of customer, the first one that's going to be there by default is the preferred customer, where this is what is going to be visible to you. So a lot of people don't see the wellness advocate, which is just above it, however, slightly grayed out. Preferred cost customer option is if you're not wanting to upload your KYC, KYC is know your customer. So if you're not wanting to upload any KYC details, which is perfectly fine, you can choose the preferred customer option. The other thing is if you are wanting to maybe just start with the oils, learn about them, how you can access these oils in your home, preferred customer is the option to go with. The next one is wellness advocate. So for this one, your KYC or know your customer details are required because this is an option where you will be able to have the ability to earn an income and generate an income to be able to either have your oils paid for or for you to be able to share these oils with your friends and earn commissions through them. So this is also a beautiful option to do. The next thing that you're going to do is just check off that about you. So here it'll come up with I agree and confirm that I reviewed the orientation material. You can click on that purple link and get that through there. And then you'll just click continue. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to fill in your about you details. So this will be a slightly longer page where I have two screenshots here that are visible where you'll basically be filling out your personal information, where it has your shipping address. Your shipping address, you can put it if you are going to ship those products to you. You can then just click off the box where it says my shipping address is the same as my mailing address. Make sure that the mailing address or on the left side for the personal information, make sure that matches your KYC if you're uploading your KYC. Your shipping address can be anywhere across India. So if you're wanting to ship it over to other loved ones that are on the other side of India, feel free to enter in that shipping address. And every order you place, you have the ability to change the shipping address. So this is not something that has to be concrete and is there fixed. This can be changed every order you place. So just making sure you get all those details in. And again, Aadhaar card, PAN card, FSSAI, those are all optional. Again, if you're doing wellness advocate, you will want to put in your Aadhaar card and your PAN card. So again, here it'll give you the option to enter in your sponsor ID and your enroller ID. This is again where you're going to want to make sure that you do not leave this blank. If you have not been introduced to the oils by someone else, please make sure you enter in my enroller ID 1254935 so that way you're able to be supported across your oil journey. A couple reasons why you should always put an enroller and sponsor, usually the same person, is because number one, they will be able to guide you on how to use the essential oils. Number two, you'll be receiving continuous education. Number three, you're going to be able to have access to all the promotions and all the exclusive discounts and everything that are going to be coming out through doTERRA. So you are going to want to link arms with that person who is enrolling you and making sure that they're there to support you and to help guide you to lead your own doTERRA journey. So if you did choose a wellness advocate option, you will get this screen where you will upload your KYC details. So you'll just upload them in the formats that are there listed. If you don't want to upload them at that time, or if you don't have them on your phone or on your laptop, what you can always do is just click continue and then email them. You have 15 days to email them to that indiakyc@doterra.com. So just make sure that you do get those uploaded and sent across as soon as possible. Once you do get your registration done, you will get your doTERRA ID. You'll be able to opt into LRP. For India, always check off this purple box that's here where it says, yes, opt me in. Your LRP is loyalty reward points. It allows you to enroll and register for points that you get back for every order that you've placed of 50 PV or higher. You will earn points back. So, for example, if you placed an order of 50 PV or 100 PV, you automatically start earning 10% points back. Then, after 3 to 4 months, you get 15%, then 20%, then 25 and 30%. That's a huge savings. So that says basically, for example, if you place a 100 PV order and you're getting 30% back, you're basically getting 30 PV back. That is typically, usually, it could be 2 products, it could be 3 products, it could be 1 product at a larger value. So definitely opt in. This is where it's highly recommended. I cannot enforce this enough, but definitely opt into it. Once you have written down your doTERRA ID, take a screenshot of this, send it across to me. I will get your welcome gift over to you. If I am not the person that you have enrolled with, your enroller should be able to support you with a welcome gift or a freebie or getting you onboarded correctly. Then the next thing is placing your first order. So checking your details on there where I have check your details, your ship to, your payment, and the send confirmation, which is just an email address. So once you've gone through there and you've added all your products to your cart, you can either do the quick add or you can go over to the shops tab and then shop and highlight each of the items and add those to the cart. You'll want to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on the process order now button. From here, if you are having any trouble, one of the areas that I find people have a lot of trouble with is I don't know where to put my payment in. This is where you'll want to go to where it had that edit payment option. You'll then click on the manage credit or debit cards. You'll click on that little purple link with the plus icon beside it where it says add payment method. From there, you'll choose your payment method that works for you, whether it's Google Pay, whether it's UPI, debit, credit, whatever works for you, you add that in. And again, say for example, you're placing an order for someone else. You can then have them share their UPI details. They will then get an approval confirmation on their phone authorizing the payment, and then the process will be able to be taken place that way. So it's super simple to be able to have customers be able to purchase them and pay directly if they're wanting a wholesale price, or if you're selling at MRP, buying them through your account at wholesale, and then retailing out the oils. This is again where I recommend everyone should have their own account. It is to your benefit and to their benefit, where they can then be in control of their orders that they're placing. You'll then get an order confirmation, which will have an order confirmation number. It'll have a ship to, who it's going to be received by, the total number of points earned, and everything. This again, go back if you haven't gotten my phone number again from there. I will also have my phone number linked in the description below. Screenshot this. I will send you across your freebie. And these constantly change. It could be roller bottles, it could be a downloadable, it could be different things depending on what you have signed up with and what I have in stock as my freebies at that time. So the next thing is, once you've kind of set up your account, you'll want to be able to then find out, how do I go back, log in, take a look at my orders, how do I look at my back office, and how do I place new orders for the following month. So this is where you'll go to www.doterra.com/IN for India, if that is your market. Otherwise, just go to doterra.com and it will automatically take you to the market that you're at. You'll go to the top where it has the person's icon where it says account. You'll hover on that. It'll go to login. You'll click on login. You'll enter in the doTERRA ID or your email and the password that you would have set earlier. One last thing that I want to touch upon is, for anyone that has signed up as a doTERRA wellness advocate, this is just an example of some of the earnings and the potential that's there. So, say for example, you may have just started as a preferred customer. You have the option to then log into your account and upgrade your account to a wellness advocate free of cost, to be able to get these earnings and access this potential. Because one of the benefits is, say for example, you have so many opportunities to be using these oils in your home, but they might be getting a little bit costly for you. What you can do is you can have your oils paid for by just sharing them with family, friends, anyone that is in your network. Remember, it's 7 degrees of separation for anyone and everyone. So, this is where I highly recommend. You can always upgrade your account if you're starting off as a preferred customer, or if you're starting off as a wellness advocate, definitely one to add in. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and share my contact details again. So, if you are looking to start your oil journey and maybe you want to do a preliminary call, send me an email or send me a WhatsApp. WhatsApp is usually the best way, or give me a call directly. That's my phone number, my WhatsApp number. Feel free to reach out to me at any time to be able to support you on this journey, either before you've started this journey or once you've gotten your oils in hand, and if you're looking for some more support going forward. So I hope this helps. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will keep you posted as doTERRA expands across India.